Hey guys, it's Rick again at snakehd Harley-Davidson. I'm real excited about this featured bike. This is a brand new 2016 XL 1200 CX. That's the Roadster. Brand new 2016 right here. This is a sweet little bike. If you're looking for a nice bike to putt around town, I'm telling you this is it. And I'm going to tell you why I'm so excited about this after we feature it a little bit here. So that's a 1200cc Roadster, vivid black, and like I said, a brand new 2016. There you are on the miles. You got 23 miles on this bike. Comes with 2-year unlimited mile factory warranty. I said this is why I'm excited about this. Okay, here's MSRP on this bike. Alright, check this out. Right there, you can buy that now for $10,465 plus applicable fees. Tax, title, and dock. Right there, man, brand new. Where else can you go and get a brand new Harley-Davidson for under $11,000? Good looking bike, man, fun to ride. So come in and check it out. We're gonna have an early spring this year. My prediction, I mean, I'm out here without a coat in the middle of January in Idaho taking pictures of my featured bike. Good looking bike, man. Come in, save a lot of money. Where else can you hear that? At a Harley store. Save a lot of money. All right, man, we'll see you soon.